Whether virtual or in person, there are 3 steps to an effective online group presentation: planning, preparation, and practice. The planning phase is designed to establish clear goals, team guidelines and responsibilities, and identify the method of group communication. In this phase, you will select a team leader. This person will be responsible for keeping everyone on track. Discuss the topic and/or the assignment. Make sure everyone has the same understanding of what needs to be communicated and how you will deliver your content. Establish roles and responsibilities. Clearly defining these will alleviate any miscommunication within the team. Create a meeting schedule or project timeline. This will provide the framework for moving the project along. Finally, create a team agreement to lay out a path for conflict resolution if it is necessary. Complete your assigned tasks on time. Don't be the person who puts the team behind schedule. Communicate, communicate, communicate. If you are behind schedule, let your team members know and tell them your new deadline. Attend scheduled meetings. Even if they are just quick updates, it's important to keep in contact with each other, especially if you have a few weeks to prepare before the presentation. Schedule a deadline for the preparation period, so as a team you can go through the presentation and have time to make any modifications or corrections. Schedule several practice sessions. Practice playing any media. Mark any corrections to the slide deck on a master copy of the presentation and review as a group. In Zoom, make sure all team members are made co-hosts. This makes presenting more seamless, and in case one member has a problem, another can immediately step in. If the group struggles with the technology or execution of the presentation, it will distract from even the best content. Having command of the technology and the flow of the presentation will put your content forward. Get the lighting right. Do not sit in front of a window or in a dark room. Make sure the light source is in front of you as much as possible. Choose the right background. Blank walls and busy, unorganized backgrounds are 2 ends of the spectrum. Have items of interest which express who you are, but stay away from things that are too personal. Avoid things with words. Bookshelves look great on camera, but can be distracting and cause your audience to start reading the book titles instead of paying attention to your presentation. Try placing the camera at eye level. Prop it up on some books to avoid the unflattering image of you looking down on your audience. Watch your body language. If you're not presenting, stay engaged. If possible, stand up. Standing can add energy to your delivery instead of being seated. Avoid using a swivel chair or one with wheels so you stay rooted where you are and aren't tempted to fidget. Use a microphone. Earbuds, a headset, or a desk-mounted microphone is preferred. If your audience has trouble hearing you or there's too much background noise, your great presentation will be for naught. Do a sound check to make sure you're using the proper mic input and your mic input level isn't too loud or too quiet. Absolutely mute your mic when you're not talking. You can also use the spacebar to momentarily turn your mic on if you are muted. Refrain from using animations or too many transitions in your presentation. These use up bandwidth and can cause your video to pixelate or freeze. Close all other programs except for the ones you need for the presentation. Make sure when playing videos, click Share Computer Sound and Optimize for Video Clip. Once you enable these settings, they will persist during the rest of your presentation. Assign someone to play any videos or other media. If playing multiple videos from a web browser, have all of your clips open in tabs in the order you will play them. Also assign someone to monitor chats. Now let's go over some general points for a good group presentation. Do assign someone as a timekeeper and have a signal in case someone runs over. You can text their cell phone or send a private chat room message to let them know where they are on time. Do practice on your own so you don't use filler words like okay, like, etc. These are very distracting. Do know the order of the presenters. Don't fumble around discussing who is doing what next. Do engage your audience. Depending on the length of your presentation, schedule breaks to ask your audience if there are any questions or comments. Do use Ethernet. It is much more stable than Wi-Fi. Do know who will answer which questions during the question and answer period, and also have water accessible. Finally, for a great group presentation, be yourself and have fun.